Good evening. This is Dan Moylan, Chief Investment Officer at Carlson Financial. I want to give you an update this evening on some news items, just in case you haven't been able to find enough. These were market movers today, and also discuss the impact that the massive news flows we're experiencing in these trying times we're in have on the market. The market movers today were all about liquidity. The central banks in most European countries, along with our Fed, they're all making huge moves to supply liquidity to the local economies. President Trump and Treasury Secretary Mnuchin announced today that we will receive a 90-day extension to pay our taxes without penalty or interest. This can have a huge impact on the individual household liquidity. The Treasury approved a request from the Fed to purchase commercial paper, which helps finance short-term liabilities like accounts payable and inventory and so forth, which should help many of the small businesses with their cash flow to get to the other side of any short-term coronavirus demand that's lost. They also mentioned the help the airline industry will need and said they face financial crisis worse than 9/11. The market viewed this information as positive and an indication that our government will go to extraordinary lengths to maintain liquidity in the economy. So it's a very positive to the market today. The overall news flow is just brutal. There's so much new information and data daily to react to almost minute by minute. This is one of the reasons the last 2 Mondays have sold off. The weekend news overwhelms, and when the stock market opens on Monday, we got selling. At some point, the positive news on the coronavirus front will take over, and the weekend news flow should generate buying at that point. One such positive, according to a news item I saw today, 90% of the business in most parts of China have resumed operations except for Hubei and a few others. That's it for tonight. Have a great day tomorrow and stay healthy.